This show, I just off all my jewelry. So to differentiate the show of Iyabo and the VDM and myself, this show is for DAYO BADMUS. I saw a guy, DAYO BADMUS. I quickly want to check DAYO BADMUS write-up against me.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, DAYO BADMUS ni a tún fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa lénìí. Lizzy Anjorin ó ti ṣe show ní àná nítorí arákùnrin yìí tí a ń pè orúkọ rẹ̀ ní DAYO BADMUS. Arákùnrin yìí ó jẹ́ ẹni tí ó ti ṣiṣẹ́ fún Lizzy Anjorin rí, ṣùgbọ́n arákùnrin yìí ó ti lọlẹ̀ dí àpòpọ̀ mọ́ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, ó ti lẹ̀dí àpòpọ̀ pẹ̀lú Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tí ó ń bú Lizzy Anjorin. Lizzy Anjorin ti ṣe show rẹ̀ ní ẹ̀ ń wò lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí, níbi tí ó ti sọ bí gbogbo rẹ̀ ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ẹ ṣáà rí picture arákùnrin ọ̀hún pẹ̀lú Lizzy Anjorin lójú àwòrán yìí nígbà tí wọ́n sì jọ wà pọ̀. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ kí ẹ wo fídíò yìí dáadáa torí wípé ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá ni Lizzy Anjorin sọ nínú fídíò tí ẹ ń wò yìí. Ó ti yá.
There is one thing about me, and I want you all to learn about that. Yoruba adage says, "Ìgbà ọmọdé ò lè ṣeré fún ìgbà ọdún." If you have someone like Iyabo Ojo around you, don't keep your old friends, most especially the ingrate ones. Don't keep them too much. Something happened about this DAYO BADMUS. DAYO BADMUS write-up. It's a good one, DAYO. Whatever you want to say, once you have your evidence, you are free to say it. And one thing about me is this: I don't go for people in a hurry. I always give you long rope to display whatever you want to bring. After doing everything, I will come with my receipt and finish you with truth. Amen. DAYO, no doubt, Iyabo Ojo brought you. No doubt. You and Nike have been working for Iyabo Ojo for a very long time. Iyabo Ojo, Nike, you are my manager. You are like Davido's PR. At least we also what you, Iyabo Ojo, and Davido's PR, we also saw what you were doing on that group. Remember that 2018, when the first time the cast came for me, she brought Nike, and I was the one that even went to her mom's house to tell her she should move into me. And one thing about Yoruba people, all Nigerians, guys, as you are watching me, when you want to help people, don't expect anything in return. When you want to help anybody, and when you are helping anybody, be careful of people like Iyabo Ojo. She will go to any length to get close to people you are helping. She will bring them to destroy you and package them as donation material. So be careful. So what DAYO wrote, I will be reading it, and I won't say much now. You don't understand? Let me just, DAYO, give us more materials. Mommy. Yes, yes, honey. Tanya, shari ke wa nbe. All over you kini. Imbo ni sweet wa. Ẹ fún mi 1 minute. Oh, you not veg. DAYO, fún wa jẹ àwa ń gbádùn ẹ. Kò sí nǹkan tó distract wa from Iyabo Ojo's case. No matter how you assist our Yoruba people, I don't know if Hausa people are like that or Igbo people are like that. If you are giving them anything, do not expect anything good from them. Just expect that they are coming to destroy you. Am I communicating? If you like, give them food. If you like, give them house. If you like, give them clothes. But there are some people that are quite appreciative. Let's see what DAYO wrote so far. He has done part 1, part 2. DAYO, give us one more. Give us more. We need more. We love it we are loving it. You don't get. So, but nothing can distract us from Iyabojo's issue. So, guys, ẹ má bínú o, má bínú. Mi ò rí comment mi ni. So, bá mi pé Ọlá kó wà lórí kíní. No now. Jẹ́ kí n lọ sí kíní ẹ̀ gangan. So, let's read about him. Let's read about him. They can't move on. Okay, part 1. He said Lizzy Anjorin all lies, all the truths. Only the brother has been in public domain for years. I had been so quiet and loved the peace that my silence brought to me. Unfortunately, the silence has to be broken because my reputation is now involved. Your reputation, Iyabojo's reputation, what? No, má lo eléyìí. Ohun mo lò. Má lo eléyìí. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ yín ní reputation. Fúnra ara yín lẹ kú máa fúnra yín lóògùn jẹ. Only unfortunately, the silence has broken because the reputation is now involved. Ó ṣe reputation Iyabojo mọ́. Also, ìmùlẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ friendship fraternity is also involved and won't betray that too. That subject of the matter, Ibukolu Elizabeth Yenukume Anjorin, now Alaja Aisha Anjorin, is long-time friends of mine. We worked together for many years as artist-manager relationship. Mo kúrú pé o fún mi endorsement kankan. Mi ìtàrẹ ìgbẹ̀ endorsement. Mi ìtàrẹ ìgbà kankan. Mo kọ́ dúpẹ́ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ fọ́lọ́run fún yẹn. Ó ti yé. Obìnrin tó bá dẹ̀ ń ṣiṣẹ́ tó ń fọ́kùnrin lówó lójoojúmọ́ ọ̀gá ni. Àdẹ̀mọ́ra rí àríra rí. Àbí? Èmi nìkan dẹ̀ kọ́ ní celebrity. Only at the peak of our working relationship, I combine many skills to serve her as my principal, and this include being a manager, publicist, personal assistant, friend on many occasions, a driver. Oh, the gba kobo fellow kan ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. Títóbi Ọlọ́run ọba. I also acted a big brother to her because of a little age different to my advantage. This gave me the opportunity to see her up close and personal. Mo ti ẹ dúpẹ́ pé ruwo wà ẹ jáwo ibi tí Lizzy ti jalè àwọn tó mọ Lizzy lóde yìí. Many with good intention want me to call her to order each time she go not online. Mo go not ṣé mo yẹn go not nìyẹn mo fi ràn gbóyin lọ́wọ́. Only most of this time these calls get irritated because I have my own life. Ṣé Iyabojo ló ń pè àbí ta ló ń pè ẹ́? Àwọn olómù ẹ mọ́ mi. Ọdún kẹwàá tó ti lọ rè bá ń parí kẹ́. Ọdún kẹwàá tó ti lọ rè náà. Ọdún kẹwàá tó ti lọ lélẹ̀. Ọdún kẹwàá tó ti lọ. Only my journey with Lizzy Anjorin started about 16 years ago. I was a young journalist, but you've left my place, or let me say, I decided not to see anybody. Láti bóyá 2016 mo rí ẹ last àbí, or 20 àbí. Okay, 9 years or 10 years, okay. I was a young journalist working with my boss, Femi Adepoju, at the first whatever. They should be around 2008. I was on the entertainment desk for the soft same magazine, blah blah. Wale was handling the music, blah blah blah. Late that year, a story had broken out in national dailies and soft magazine about a Nollywood actress who stole a car. Mo dúpẹ́ pé receipt wà ńta. Arrested and answering question with the police. O lè parọ́. Bo. Arike, how many years old you are? What happened? Let's go. How many years old you are? Be 10 abi. But you already need that your Lord. You go avoid that. Yes, sir. ó lè parọ́ Dayo ebe mi mo jí mọ́tò èmi mo jí mọ́tò ara mi èmi lọ́lọ́pàá tó wà lẹ́ arrest ó lè parọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ mélòó ló fẹ́ sọ answering question with police èmi tí mo ní mọ́tò mi lọ́lọ́pàá arrest. For those of you watching me for the first time, this is what Iyabojo has been doing to everybody. Ṣẹ́rí manager Davido tó wà lọ́dọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ yẹn ẹ̀yin ló jọ lójú kò jà wá lójú a ti sọ fún yín látọjọ́ tó ti pẹ́ kò yé yín ṣé ẹ̀bá we work o we doing sewing ọba sùn ní time yìí kẹ́ so nǹkan tó sọ ní pé arrested and answering question with the police oh lè parọ́. My editor Monique Ibitoye called me and asked me to go after the story and I give different angle what was I reported. That was the style of journalism then. Things go viral now because quack journalists copy and whatever. The magazine through blah blah blah. Our daily line of production is in an interview with her on the spot asking all the controversial questions that will satisfy my ever demanding editor Monique. By early Monday, lovers of celebrity blah blah blah. She Lizzy, who was already at loggerhead with many publishers. Oh, le paro. As at then, oh, le paro mommy, who didn't contacted her before publishing story of theft. Kokomi was so impressed. Show you about story Kokomi. Dayo wojú mi. Ogun ni ṣì ni mú èpè ò kì í ṣìyàn jà. Lánàá yẹn, gbogbo àwọn tó parọ́ mọ́ mi, àwọn dà lẹ́ni. Bọ́lá ń ṣe máa ń ṣọlá nìyẹn ó ti yé bọ́lá ń ṣe máa ń ṣọ ṣorí tẹ́dà bá ti gbó ti tọ́ dání àbùṣebùṣe jẹ́ máa ka story mi lọ mega testimony ẹ má worry everything ma wà taken care of ẹ fọkàn balẹ̀. I become more like resident in her home at this time. She had an apartment, many things and almost everything had to go through me before reaching her, mostly media interaction and interview and engagement. I become more like a resident in her home. At the time, she had an apartment in Ikorodu area of Lagos. After a few months of meeting her, she relocated to Obawole area of Ogba in Ifako, Ijayi. Her movement to island of Lagos was from that mainland part of Lagos. Like I said earlier, I will do my best to enlighten people, most especially fans, friends and foes of Lizzy Anjorin, and that we also set the record straight and shed more light most controversial debate about her persons and personality. Ẹ má gbàgbé pé Dayo tó kọ kíní yìí ẹ jẹ́ kí n fi nǹkan kan hàn yín ká tó move on. He contacted me few months ago or few years ago. I just blocked him. So ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ wò Dayo Badmus, sorry. Dayo Badmus. Just blocked him. Ẹ wá wò. Ṣé ti rí? So mo kàn fẹ́ fi lè enlighten yín ni. Ó ti yé yín. Àwọn manager yín, àwọn PA yín, àwọn cook yín, àwọn driver yín tó máa end up sọ́dọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó kẹ́ ṣí brain yín. Thank you. So look at this is Dayo Badmus. Shey you see? You see Dayo Badmus for? He changes line every day. Hello Ìbùkún, miss call. Kí lẹ tí mo ṣe, mo block her straight. Eri mo block her straight. For reason best known to me àsìkò ọ̀rọ̀ tí tó. Tásìkò ọ̀rọ̀ bá tó, ẹ jẹ́ kó fún wa sí. Àwọn pé mi ò kí ń rush. Let me show you guys. Àsìkò ọ̀rọ̀ tí tó yóò kí ń bẹ́. Ó lè ní information gidi tó fẹ́ fún wa. Ṣé ti rí Dayo Badmus? Òun lélẹ̀. Ẹ̀rí hello Ìbùkún. Ẹ̀rí ó fún mi ní miss call. Around 6:05 mo gbà blocking. 19th of May 2025. Ẹ̀rí mo gbà ní blocking. Dayo cannot use his life history to educate us. Lizzy Anjorin náà ni everybody.